Kia ora, my name is Don Young. I'm a senior consultant in the Auckland office. We're putting together a short video series to talk about creating REM structures and particularly how to do salary reviews in these challenging times. So particularly with the economy being the way it is now, budgets being tight, and especially budgets for REM reviews being tight, the need to ensure that the right people are getting the right kind of reviews and getting fairly paid for what they do and the contribution they make is as important now as it ever has been. We're going to talk you through 3 steps that are pretty straightforward, which allow you to firstly develop your internal relativities, test where people's jobs are relative to other jobs in the organization. Step 2 is to then overlay market data and appropriate market data to those roles. And step 3 is to then have a look at what people are currently being paid relative to the market. I have 3 colleagues who will talk about those 3 different steps. You'll first be introduced to Eric Consular from our Wellington office, and he'll talk about how to establish those internal relativities. Secondly, you'll be introduced to Catherine Fitzsimons from our Dunedin office, and she'll talk to you about market data options. And thirdly, Alex Botham, my colleague in the Auckland office, will talk to you about importing the data and establishing where people are paid relative to the market that you have selected. This will then be summarized by my colleague from the Tauranga office, Kathy Henry, who will then just emphasize the key points in all the different aspects that we have been talking about. If you have any queries or any questions, feel free to contact any of the strategic pay people in any of our offices across New Zealand. I hope you enjoy the video series.